Welcome to my channel Physics Globe. Today I am going to explain the topic, very important topic, parabola equation. In the case of oblique projection. The question is, show that the trajectory of an object thrown into the air with certain angle with horizontal is a parabola. తెలుగులో ఏమంటామంటే ప్రక్షేపక పదం పరావలయమని చూపండి. ఇట్లా కూడా వచ్చుకొస్తాను ఇంగ్లీష్లో. షో దట్ ది పాత్ ఆఫ్ ప్రొజెక్టైల్ ఇస్ ఏ పారాబోలా. ఓకే, వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్. 4 marks. It was asked so many times in the board exam. So should be very careful, my students. So listen carefully. See here, this is known as parabola. Let us consider an object is thrown into the air by making an angle theta with the horizontal, that is x-axis, with x-axis here. Theta should be more than 0 degrees, less than 80 degrees here. This is nothing but oblique projection. ఖచ్చితంగా థీటా అనేది 0 degrees అంటే ఎక్కువ ఉండాలి, 90 degrees అంటే తక్కువ ఉండాలి. ఓకే, దట్ ఈస్ కండిషన్. సో దట్ ఈస్ కండిషన్ ఈస్ 0 degrees, theta should be more than 0 degrees, less than 90 degrees here. 0 means that is horizontal projection, 90 means vertical projection here. Okay, this is the oblique projection here. Okay, show that the path of projectile is a parabola. What projectile? Object. You take like javelin throw. That is the best example for the projectile motion. This is called range. This is maximum height here. So this is two-dimensional motion. The object has two-dimensional motion. At the same time, two-dimensional motion. The chapter is motion in a plane. సమతలంలో చలనం. ద్విమితీయ చలనం అంట తెలుగు. ద్విమితీయ చలనం, 2-dimensional మోషన్ అంటాం. మనం ఏం చూచాలంటే మన లక్ష్యం ఏంది? వాట్ ఇస్ అవర్ ఎయిమ్ హియర్? ది పాత్ ఆఫ్ ప్రొజెక్టైల్ ఇస్ ఏ పారాబోలా. దట్ ఈస్ వీ కెన్ షో y equal to ax minus bx square. That is our aim to derive that equation. Y equal to ax minus bx square. A, b are constants, x, y. Okay. So consider an object thrown into the air. It's at an angle theta with the horizontal, nothing but x-axis. With initial velocity u bar. U bar is the initial velocity. U bar is the initial velocity of the object here. Then due to gravitational force, the object moves in the path of parabola and finally touches the ground. తెలుగు ఏమంటామంటే పరావలయం అంటాం. పారాబోలా అంటే పరావలయం. ఇలా వెళ్ళి ఇలా కింద పడిపోతుంది లాస్ట్కి. ఇది మ్యాక్సిమం హెచ్, గరిష్ట ఎత్తు. దీన్ని రేంజ్ అంటాం. సో హియర్ యూ బార్ ఇస్ ఎ వెక్టర్. యూ ఇస్ ఏ ఇనిషియల్ వెక్టర్. యూ బార్ ఇస్ ఎ వెక్టర్. ఇట్ హ్యాస్ 2 components. Every vector has 2 components according to distribution of vectors. One is along x-axis, other along y-axis here. So here ux equal to u cos theta, uy equal to u sin theta. And we can write here, look here, we can write here u bar equal to uxi plus uyj. This is u bar. And ux equal what? Always here u cos theta. Uy equal to u sin theta. Okay, see here. So x equal to u cos theta, uy equal to sin theta. Now look here. Our aim is to prove the path of object is parabola. That is the equation we can derive here. So the two-dimensional motion, it has, the object has at any point here, it has two-dimensional motion along x-axis, along y-axis. Same time. It is same time. First we can take x-axis here. So now let here x be the horizontal displacement after some time t. Sometime t. Let x be the horizontal displacement of sometime t. T is a sometime here. Like 2 seconds, something like that only. Now we know formula velocity equal to displacement by time. Displacement equal to velocity into time here. So here displacement is what? X here. So we can write here x equal what? Velocity. This direction velocity is what? Ux. Ux into time is what here? T. X equal to ux into t, because displacement equal to like velocity into time here. This what is x here? Horizontal component of initial velocity. Uy vertical component of initial velocity here. So you can write here x equal, then what is x here? U cos theta into t. We can write here t equal to x by u cos theta. This is equation number 1. My students here. T equal what we got here? X by u cos theta. U is the initial velocity. X is the horizontal displacement. T is the time. Theta is the angle of projection here. We got first equation here. This is very important equation for IIT JEE and NEET MCET also. X equal to u cos theta into t. Here u cos theta into t. Very important for IIT JEE. That is objective examinations here. Yes, let's say. So here we got t equal x by u cos theta. Now we want vertical displacement. At the same time t. The same time t, now we want vertical displacement by also. So how can we? So now in this case here, my dear students here, okay. This is about up to equation 1. T equal x by u cos theta. Okay. Now look here. Now we want here we got t equal what? X by u cos theta. Okay. Now here we want vertical displacement y. Let y is the vertical displacement. Vertical displacement. At the same time t. At the same time t. Okay. Let y be the vertical displacement at the same time t. In this case, look here. Now look here. Actually we know S equal formula what? Ut plus of at square. This is well known to you. This is equation of general equation of motion in the straight line chapter, motion straight line here. S equal ut plus of at. But in this case, S equal what here? Vertical means here y. Vertical displacement. And A equal always what here? Y minus Z, because upward direction A equal always 1. That is well known to you. A equal minus Z. And same time T equal T only. And next to S equal y and U equal what here? Uy. Uy is what here? U sin theta. This because along this axis here. This is Ux, this is Uy. U equal U sin theta. So we can substitute all these in the equation. Then we get what actually? S equal what? Ut plus of at square. S is what here? Y. U is what here? U sin theta into T plus of A is what here? Minus G into T square. So y plus into minus, we know minus here. So y equal to u sin theta into plus of bracket minus G square. So now here we can write again that equation here. So then y equal what here? U sin theta into T plus into minus of G square. Y equal u sin theta into T minus of G square. This equation number you take here 2. Now here we have 2 equations here. Equation 1, equation 2. What is equation 1? T equal to x by u cos theta. This is equation number very well known, already we got. So now substituting T value from equation 1 in equation 2. Substituting T value from equation 1 in equation 2. Now we get here by substituting what here? T value in equation 2. So what is to here? Y equal to here u sin theta into T minus of G square. y equal to u sin theta into t. What is t here? T is nothing but x by u cos theta minus of g into again t x by u cos theta whole square. Clear? Now here we can again write this is y equal to u sin theta by u cos theta into x minus here g, this is what here, x square by this is 2u square cos u square theta, x square, u square, cos and g 2. Here u cancels theta, u cancel. So now sin theta by cos nothing but tan theta. Okay. So sin theta by nothing but compulsory is what, always tan theta. So we can add here nothing in the next step here. Y equal to this is what here, tan theta into x minus again here g by 2u square cos theta into x square here into this is 2 here. So g by this is x square here. Same equation I wrote here. Just here u cancel. So sine we got nothing but tan theta into x minus same. So minus g by 2u square cos x square here. Now look here, we can write here this is nothing but a, this is nothing but, so we can write as a y equal to a x minus bx square. This is very important equation, my dear students. Here by where a equal to tan theta, b equal to g by 2u square cos square theta. This is b, this is a. Here a, b are constants here. This is important, our equation. This equation represents the equation of parabola. Y equal to ax minus bx square, where a equal tan theta, b equal g by 2 square cos theta. This is known as parabola equation. So we can say that the path of projectile is a parabola. So మనం ఏం చెప్పవచ్చు అంటే ప్రక్షేపక పదం పరావలయం అని చెప్పవచ్చు. ఇది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్ అండి, 4 మార్క్స్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. యూ కెన్ ఫోకస్, ప్రాక్టీస్ at least 2 or 3 times here. There is chance to ask the board exam. Okay, be careful. So thank you very much watching my videos. Okay, ready for next